Imperial Ironworks, starting a layout for a terrace banister. We're using 1-inch square braid, 1/2 inch the columns. We're using these coiliers here. They come in different styles. For this project, we're using these here, but they also come in different styles at your choice. Through the process, in the previous video, we have on these 1.5 inch channels with a box punch, 1/2 inch insert with the coilier on it, simply slips on. Insert and repeat the process. Now, where this seems so simple to do, there's a lot of preparation work that comes involved in this. Each one of these bars has been cut down, trimmed down to length specifically. Then the rebar on the edge has to be filed down and cleaned so that you don't get splinters in your fingers and so forth. This process, as it repeats through, is quite simple. All the hours of preparation work that we've done to get to this point. Here at Imperial Ironworks, we can get anything that you can imagine. Bring it to life for you. As we continue the process, these can be adjusted, as you see, simply, and it can change the look of the gate quite effectively. Be sure to take a look at what you've done so far. Anything that you see that needs to be cleaned up, processed, or anything like that. Usually if you clean up as you go along, you won't have too many problems. Seems fairly simple, but again, as moving these up and down, or any combination thereof, you can change the look of the gate. You truly get what you want. You can also, you're not limited to, playing it around with it a little bit. About how we notch these 1.5 U channels, and I think we can walk you through the process of that as well. Have a good one. Welcome back to Imperial Ironworks. We're here now in the next step of the process, and always remember, safety first. It's always good to invest in a good helmet. The next step of the process is we're going to tack down and make sure that everything's square, because this will be your final project square. We're going to measure out through the thing. We're going to tack the columns and go through the process of welding.